By 2030, artificial intelligence will eliminate 85 million jobs globally. But here's what the headlines don't tell you. It will also create 97 million new ones. The question isn't whether AI will change your career. It's whether you'll be ready when it does. I'm here to show you the exact skills that will make you indispensable in the AI revolution. These aren't theoretical concepts. They're practical abilities that companies are desperately seeking right now. The Great Career Shift. We're living through the most significant workplace transformation since the Industrial Revolution. While everyone's panicking about AI replacing humans, the smartest professionals are doing something different. They're learning to work alongside AI, not against it. Think about it this way. When calculators were invented, accountants didn't disappear. They evolved. They focused on analysis, strategy, and complex problem-solving, while letting machines handle the calculations. The same principle applies today, but at lightning speed. The professionals thriving in 2025 aren't the ones with the most technical knowledge. They're the ones who understand how to leverage AI to amplify their human capabilities. Skill 1. Prompt engineering. Let's start with the most immediately valuable skill. Prompt engineering. This isn't about learning to code. It's about learning to communicate effectively with AI systems. Master prompt engineers earn six-figure salaries because they know how to extract maximum value from AI tools. They understand that the quality of your output depends entirely on the quality of your input. Here's what effective prompt engineering looks like in practice. Instead of asking an AI, "Write me a marketing email," a skilled prompt engineer would say, "Write a 150-word marketing email for busy executives announcing our new project management software. Use a conversational tone, include 3 specific benefits, and end with a soft call to action." The audience values efficiency and ROI above all else. See the difference? The second prompt provides context, constraints, and clear expectations. This skill applies whether you're in marketing, finance, human resources, or any other field. Start practicing today with ChatGPT, Claude, or any AI tool. Experiment with different approaches. Be specific about your desired outcome, provide relevant context, and don't be afraid to iterate on your prompts. Skill 2. AI-assisted data analysis. Data literacy has become as fundamental as reading and writing. But you don't need to become a data scientist to leverage AI for powerful insights. Modern AI tools can help you analyze spreadsheets, identify trends, and generate reports that would have taken data analysts weeks to produce. The key is learning to ask the right questions and interpret the results effectively. Here's a real-world example. A marketing manager uses AI to analyze customer behavior data, identifying that customers who engage with video content are 40% more likely to make repeat purchases. This insight leads to a content strategy shift that increases revenue by 25%. The skill isn't in running complex algorithms. It's in knowing what questions to ask and how to translate AI-generated insights into actionable business decisions. Tools like Tableau with AI features, powered by and even advanced Excel functions, can transform you from someone who reports what happened to someone who predicts what will happen next. Skill 3. Automation and workflow design. The future belongs to professionals who can identify repetitive tasks and design systems to automate them. This isn't about replacing humans. It's about freeing humans to focus on high-value work. Think about your typical workday. How much time do you spend on tasks that follow the same pattern every time? Email responses, data entry, scheduling, report generation. These are prime candidates for automation. The skill here is process mapping. You need to understand your workflows well enough to explain them to an AI system. This requires analytical thinking and attention to detail. Start small. Maybe you automate your email responses using tools like Zapier or Microsoft Power Automate. Perhaps you use AI to generate first drafts of reports that you then refine and personalize. One sales professional automated their lead qualification process using AI, reducing time spent on initial prospect research from 2 hours to 15 minutes per lead. That's not just efficiency, that's competitive advantage. Skill for AI ethics and bias recognition. As AI becomes more prevalent, organizations desperately need professionals who understand the ethical implications and potential biases in AI systems. This isn't just about being socially responsible. It's about avoiding costly mistakes and legal issues. AI systems can perpetuate or amplify existing biases if not properly managed. A hiring AI might discriminate against certain demographics. A lending AI might unfairly deny loans. A recommendation system might create filter bubbles that limit diversity of thought. The skill is learning to audit AI outputs, question assumptions, and implement safeguards. This requires critical thinking, understanding of fairness principles, and the ability to spot patterns that might indicate bias. Companies are creating new roles, like AI ethics officer and algorithm auditor. These positions require deep understanding of both technology and human behavior. Skill 5. Human-AI collaboration. The most valuable skill might be the most human one, knowing when to use AI and when to rely on human judgment. This is about developing AI intuition, understanding the strengths and limitations of artificial intelligence. AI excels at pattern recognition, data processing, and generating options. Humans excel at creative problem-solving, emotional intelligence, and contextual decision-making. The magic happens when you combine both effectively. Consider a customer service scenario. AI can instantly analyze customer history, suggest relevant solutions, and even draft personalized responses. But a human agent provides empathy, handles complex emotional situations, and makes judgment calls that require understanding of company values and customer relationships. The skill is learning to orchestrate this collaboration. When do you accept When do you override them? How do you maintain the human touch while leveraging AI efficiency? Skill 6. Continuous learning and adaptation. AI technology evolves at breakneck speed. What's cutting edge today might be obsolete in 6 months. The most crucial skill is developing a learning mindset and staying adaptable. This means regularly experimenting with new AI tools, staying informed about industry developments, and being willing to adjust your approach as technology advances. Set aside time each week to explore new AI applications in your field. Follow thought leaders, join professional communities, and don't be afraid to experiment. The cost of falling behind is much higher than the cost of continuous learning. The strategic mindset beyond specific skills. Cultivate a strategic mindset about AI adoption. Think about your industry's pain points. Where are the inefficiencies? What tasks consume disproportionate time? These are opportunities for AI-powered solutions. Position yourself as the person who bridges the gap between technology and business objectives. Companies need employees who can identify AI opportunities, implement solutions, and measure results. Taking action. The time to develop these skills is now, not when your industry is already transformed. Start with one skill that aligns with your current role and interests. Practice consistently, even if it's just 15 minutes a day. Remember, you don't need to become a technical expert overnight. Focus on understanding how AI can amplify your existing strengths and address your industry's challenges. The professionals who thrive in the AI era won't be those who know the most about technology. There'll be those who know how to apply technology most effectively to create value. Your career's future depends on the choices you make today. The AI revolution is happening with or without you. The question is, will you be leading the charge or trying to catch up? If you found this valuable, show your support by hitting that like button and dropping a comment about which AI skill you're most excited to develop. Don't forget to subscribe to KB Bluetree for more insightful content that helps you stay ahead of the curve in our rapidly evolving world.